Vanakkam. It's a continuation in the last slide, operations. In this slides, we are going to see about the other three operations. So recall the previous slide. In the previous slide, we had a discussion regarding about new fund offer, units, and subscription. In continuation, redemption. What is mean by redemption? When I'm going to purchase the units from the scheme is called subscription. When I'm going to be get back my money to surrender my units with the scheme is called the redemption. So subscription means it is called there the purchasing, and redemption means it is called there the selling. It's typically it's called there the selling. So when I can be redeemed, I can be redeemed only to with my scheme owner, not with anybody, not with the anybody. It's not like a share. We can be sell and buy the securities in the market. But recently there will be a new schemes are offered like a shares. Mutual fund units is also permitted to make a trading in the share market platform like in the stock exchanges. And we'll move on to the next one, unit capital. What is mean by unit capital, which is very important. How the companies are permitted to raise up their capital only certain limit from the Capital Controller of India. Same way, the mutual fund companies is also permitted to have the capital in a particular scheme to certain level. So that certain level is called as the unit capital. How it is can be calculated? It is very simple. Unit value multiplied by number of unit issued under the particular scheme. It is very important for the accounting perspective, and also it is important for calculation of return and all. And we'll move on to the next one, the realized capital gains and losses. The scheme will have the two type of income. One is interest income, another one is dividend income. When that scheme is going to be make it investment in debt securities, debt investment, then whatever the income is coming, it is interest income. When the fund is going to be invested in the equity, then whatever the income is coming is called the dividend income. And also it's not only the scheme is going to be keep it investment in one particular asset for the so long time. Sometimes it is go for buying, selling. It is occasionally happening in the market. Whenever the purchase and sales are made by the company, there will be a possibility of the capital gains as well as the capital losses. When altogether whatever we are going to be achieved or whatever going to be redeemed out of this particular transaction is called the realized capital gains or realized capital losses. In this particular slide, we have see about the three things. One is redemption, next one is the unit capital, and third one is the realized capital and gains. Nandri.